everyone. Today I'm going to be doing something I haven't done in about 3 years, and that would be bleaching. Not my hair this time. Actually, I will be bleaching a wig. She's ready. I actually did research this time. Originally, I was looking up how to like ombre with bleach, and then I realized that that isn't what I had in mind. What I actually want to do today is balayage this wig. Balayage? Balayage. I watched a total of 4 videos, including Brad Mondo reacting to people trying to balayage at home, which is actually 4 more videos than I usually watch before trying something. So obviously this is gonna go better than usual. That's what I'm saying. I'm calling it right now. I do understand that balayage is a very hard practice, that it takes many hairstylists years to accomplish. Not that I think I will be amazing, but why not try, you know? And then maybe I will want to try again and again and again, and then I will become a self-proclaimed professional. So my plan today isn't to just balayage this beautiful short human hair wig that I have right here, but I also want to put a color on top of that. Yeah, so it's like 2 tones or maybe a couple tones, who knows how well I'll do. And hopefully we get something cool. Have people done this? Probably. Did I see any videos of that happening? No. So this is gonna be something. I just want to state right now that I've also done a lot more research into what hair dyes to use. And I do understand that Splat is not good for your hair. I get that now. If y'all have any suggestions, comment down below. Cruelty-free, doesn't destroy your hair. Those are the 2 things. I also want y'all to know that if you're new, the reason why I bleach and have fun coloring and wearing wigs is because I don't want to do this to my hair. I'm going to attempt to do some highlights, some balayage, okay? You know, you should always go into stuff with low expectations when doing it at home, and that is what I'm doing every single day of my life, so. Perfect. Okay, now that we have some highlights going on, I'm probably gonna go back in and do some more, to be honest. But I wanna get going on this balayaging. But I'll touch it up a little bit later. Oh my god, I'm inhaling this bleach right now. I'm killing brain cells. I'm just going to take little sections, and I'm going to do this technique that literally kills my soul. As someone that knows nothing about hair, we're going to tease until we have only a little bit left. And then we're going to put bleach on the little strands that are left hanging at the bottom. Oh god. I hate teasing hair so much because it just reminds me of cheerleading and dance recitals and how hard it is to get your hair detangled. Ooh, okay. We just teased this bit and now we have these little strands left. So we're gonna put some bleach on that and call it balayage. Perfect. Okay, yeah, I feel pretty good about that. Listen, I know this is a wig, but I can feel it. I can feel this happening to me right now. Okay, so far, like, I'm feeling pretty good. I know it might not look like it's going well, but I think it is. Oh my gosh! Okay, well, consider it balayaged. Okay, I actually am like a little mad at myself because I did want to continue doing some highlights on the top, but while I was teasing the hair, I noticed that you can't tease the hair and then do highlights on it with it teased. You know, that doesn't really check out. So we probably are going to have some really random highlights just in the front, but it's fine because you know what? The ending results is gonna look fantastic because I'm going to make sure it does. So I'm gonna let this sit and then I'm going to wash it out, brush it out, and then we will work on the dyeing part after we laugh at what it looks like next. Well, I think it went pretty well. Honestly though, the balayage, I think looks good. Like, I did a good job. However, never let me highlight a wig or hair, period, like ever again. All the bleach just stayed in one spot. It will look better when it's not blonde, you know? So let's get on it. I don't want to ruin this mannequin head though, so I'm going to swap it with my dyeing mannequin head. The bleach looks so bad. At least we're having fun. Who knows, maybe I might balayage my own hair. Yes, this is gonna be perfect. Let's section it a little bit first so we don't get too crazy. Yeah, I feel like this is gonna be the move. Yeah, this party started. Oh, I am so excited for this. Ah, oh my god, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my goodness, oh my gosh, how did that get there? Get back in there. No! Oh my gosh! Okay, I think we did it. Everything is now coated in blue. I think this is gonna be fine. I'm gonna let this sit for an hour and then I'll wash it out and blow dry it and then we can style it and try it on. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Well, I'd hate to say it, but it looks pretty good. I'm gonna let her air dry a bit overnight because I'm tired. So I will be back tomorrow with it styled and ready to go, and I'll show you how it looks. And me, I'll show myself. I don't know what it's gonna look like yet. Okay, check it out. I am honestly amazed. First off, this wig is amazing anyways. I mean, these are just natural waves. Also, I thought I ruined the wig by bleaching it and doing terrible highlights, but I didn't because the blue just ends up blending in there so well. It's just like a little like extra touch, you know? It's like a, ooh, but are there more colors in there? You know? And I love that the ends are so gradual. Sometimes I'm amazed at myself. Let's go into the light so y'all can maybe tell how the ends look a little bit. It's so bright outside, I don't know how this is gonna look, but look at that. Honestly, what? I know I say this every single time, but like, I think this is my new favorite wig. I'm serious. Like, what? So cute. I love it. The blue is also supposed to fade after, you know, like 10 washes or something like that. So we'll see how it looks down the line. But for now, I am very happy with what I accidentally did, and I can't wait to hear what y'all think. Please make sure to leave comments down below. Let me know what you think. Also, if you are new, make sure to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching my wig videos, and have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye! Balayage, balayage. Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, whoa, whoa. I can't tell you that I won't mess up because I've never done this before.